If you're looking to build a viral lead magnet page in LeadPages, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to creating a lead magnet that grabs attention, drives conversions, and builds your email list. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use LeadPages to turn any page into a viral machine. Let's dive in. First, start with a clear goal. Whether you're offering an ebook, a webinar, or a checklist, the content you're giving away needs to be something your audience actually wants. Your lead magnet should solve a problem for your target audience and be directly tied to your offer. With LeadPages, you'll be able to create a landing page that communicates exactly what your lead magnet is, so your visitors know exactly what they're getting. Next, choose a high-converting template. LeadPages has a ton of templates that are optimized for conversions. These templates include proven design elements that can immediately increase your chances of success. The key here is simplicity. Make sure the page focuses entirely on your offer and avoid clutter. The more straightforward your lead magnet offer is, the more likely visitors will take the next step. The third thing you'll want to focus on is the headline. Your headline is the first thing your visitors see, and it should be enticing enough to grab attention. LeadPages offers a variety of customizable options, so make sure your headline clearly states the value of your lead magnet. Phrases like "get your free guide" or "unlock instant access" are proven to work well in these situations. Moving on, think about your call to action. This is where you tell visitors exactly what to do next. Make it clear and direct. LeadPages offers strong CTA button customization, so you can experiment with different color schemes and button placements to see what converts best. Don't just say "submit," "try," "get instant access," or "download now" to increase urgency. Another important element is social proof. If you're building a viral lead magnet, adding testimonials or showing the number of people who've already downloaded or signed up will help build trust and urgency. LeadPages allows you to easily integrate social proof elements directly onto the page. This is one of the easiest ways to increase conversion rates. People trust others who have already signed up. Lastly, don't forget mobile optimization. Over half of web traffic comes from mobile devices, and LeadPages ensures your lead magnet pages are optimized for all screen sizes. No one wants to fill out a form on a page that looks messy on their phone. LeadPages automatically adjusts your page's design to be mobile-friendly, making it easier for your leads to opt in from any device. Now, while LeadPages is great for building these types of pages, it's not the only option out there. There are some alternatives, especially for people who need a more customized approach. Keep watching, because I'm going to tell you about an amazing alternative at the end of this video. Before I wrap up, I have something special for you. I've worked out an exclusive, extended free trial to LeadPages for our viewers. You'll get access to all the features of LeadPages, so you can test everything out for yourself. But I also want to point out that if your goal is a highly tailored lead magnet with more flexibility, there are some platforms out there that will let you do more at a better price point. Check the first link in the description to grab that exclusive free trial to LeadPages, but don't forget to also check out these amazing alternatives. They come with their own free trials, and they might be better for what you're aiming to do. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to explore the links and give it a try yourself.